KDLY stock analysis and KDLY stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. I'm observing kindly MD. It is 15.6% up, and such an interesting ticker symbol, man. Before I get further, I've spent 5 figures on courses and mentors, done 36,000 videos, delivered thousands of quick predictions for free and called out on my YouTube channel, and all of that has been called out for free. Documented, by the way, everything. Specifically with this, you can see beforehand I was open to take things low, but this only was going to be the case if I saw my rules. After I didn't, I abandoned the ticker, didn't make videos, and then now we're here. Actually, it's quite sick. Still very open for those long sides, but here's the big but here. It must shift. It must show me that it really wants to go up by giving me what? A proper double break, in which in this case is just a double break here. And if that does happen, oof, do I have something up my sleeve? Obviously I'm gonna long, but I'm gonna keep you updated. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple lean way, you can click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. Goodbye.